Himalaya is like your mother. You crawl into her arms and she will embrace you. Climbing Himalaya is an amazing experience. It is not only physical, but also very spiritual. I was planning to make this video to provide all the minute tips and instructions on how to and what not to do while climbing the mountain, especially when you're planning to climb the mountain solo. You will find several videos online providing all the detailed tips and instructions. There's tons and tons of help, instructions and articles from all the experts around the world who have ever climbed Himalaya. But today I'm going to give you the most important tip. This is the only tip you ever require if you're trying to reach to the top. I climbed to the Everest base camp solo. It took me almost 15 days to reach to the top. There was no help from any local guide or any Sherpa. It was just me and the mighty Himalaya. The only one thing you ever require, the only one thing you really need to carry if you successfully want to reach to the top is your attitude. Your attitude towards the mighty Himalaya. Your attitude towards Nepalese people and the beautiful and warm culture. Your total respect towards Mother Nature and its creation. I was in a situation where I was alone and lost. It was getting dark while I was trying to reach to the base camp. Surrounded by icy cold mountain and deep valley, I had no means to find my way to reach the base camp or to the nearest tea house. While in that confused state of mind, out of nowhere, a dog appears and guides me all the way to the base camp. And when the job was done, he simply disappeared in the mountain. As my teacher rightly said, nature and its creation can be your best teacher if you have the right attitude and total respect. Himalaya is like your own mother. You crawl into her arms and she will embrace you. She will take good care of you.